Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Linux server security. A crucial aspect of protecting your digital assets is implementing a strong firewall. And UFW, or Uncomplicated Firewall, is a user-friendly tool that makes it easy to do just that. Let's explore how UFW can become your server's shield. Introduction to UFW. Imagine your server as a castle. UFW acts as the gatekeeper, controlling who can enter and exit. By default, UFW is inactive. To enable it, we'll use a simple command. Basic configuration. UFW divides your network into zones. The public zone is exposed to the internet, while the private zone is for internal traffic. Let's allow incoming SSH connections from the public zone. To check the status of your rules, use the following commands. Advanced techniques. UFW offers granular control over traffic. You can allow or deny specific ports, protocols, and IP addresses. For instance, to block incoming HTTP traffic from a particular IP address. To allow outgoing traffic to a specific port. Best practices. Remember these best practices for optimal security. Regularly review and update your rules. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Keep your system and software up to date. Monitor your server for suspicious activity. UFW provides a robust foundation for securing your Linux server. By understanding its basic configuration and advanced features, you can effectively protect your valuable data. Stay safe and keep your server shielded. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.